Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today we got some more watch faces to give away. We've been giving away a lot of watch faces over the past couple of days, and it has really been cool to do. We got more giveaways coming, so just stay tuned. If your name doesn't get called, trust me, you're going to get an opportunity to win. Everybody does here on this channel, at least, right? All right, you all, Z Watch Faces got down on this one. Now, out of all three that we reviewed, this one here was my #1 favorite, and it's called Shifter. I thought the developer definitely put some work in on this one. The creativity, the watch face stood out. I really liked the flavor that he brought to the table with this one. All of them were good, but this one was my favorite. All right, you all, we got 11 winners to call out. Again, I want to thank you all for your participation, and I want to thank you again for all the love I've been getting from everyone and the support you guys have been giving. You are phenomenal. Now listen, we're going to go ahead, we're going to call out the names. I know you've been grinding hard today. It's time for you to relax. So we're going to call the names. We're going to get you out of here real quick. And we want to thank again Z Watch Faces. He has been working with me. I'm thinking, listen, we got to review some more of his product. All right. So if you haven't got a chance, go check out his lineup. This guy has a lot to offer so far as creativity on these Gears 3, Gears 2, and the Gear Sport watch faces. All right. With that being said, let's call out the winners of the watch face Shifter. All right, you all, let's start off with #1. Ryan. Congratulations, Ryan. Now, Ryan, I don't know if you're new to the channel, but welcome, and you are a winner. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can keep updated on all the newest videos that I'm going to be shooting out. #2 is going to be Sammy. Congratulations, Sammy. We got Tyrone. He's a winner, and I think Tyrone may be new to the channel as well. If you are, welcome, subscribe. We also got Hamza. I think he's new as well. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and welcome to the family. Also, we got Sonja McMillan. We got David Talbot. What's up, David? I haven't heard from you in a while. What's up? Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what's going on with you. We got Vincent. We also got Paul Williams, if I'm pronouncing that right. I tried practicing that. And we also got Kryptonia and my man Adrian Robinson. So congratulations to all you all. Again, thank you for participating. Remember, if your name didn't get called, trust me, it will get called soon. We got more watch faces to give away that's coming down the line. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Don't forget. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.